Sometimes, you may want to archive posts and threads. This means that if you want to remove posts from your profile without completely deleting them, you can archive those posts. After archiving, they will be saved in the archived section, but others won't be able to see them. In this video, we'll show you how to archive posts in the Threads app. First, click on your profile button at the bottom. When you do this, you'll see all the posts you've made. To archive a post, look for the three dots next to it. Click on these dots, and you'll see the archive option. Select archive, and the post will be moved to your archived section. After refreshing, the post will no longer be visible on your profile. If you want to view it again, click on the two lines at the top of the screen. This will open a menu where you can select the archive option. Once you click on archive, you'll see the post in this section. Remember, others won't be able to see it. That's how easy it is to archive posts and threads. We hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.